Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little update for Windows 11 again. We, try to see what's coming up in the future and what are the changes coming. A lot of people are asking changes in Windows 11. The Start menu is one of the most requested changes that should be in here. We learned that, in Windows 10, you can, of course, put apps within folders. So you could create a folder. For example, I use Microsoft Office Suite. Well, rather than have the Word and Excel and whatever all separate, of course, I like to have a folder called Office and have all the apps for Microsoft Office in there, which is kind of logical. And there's a lot of things like that. If you do, picture editing, whatever, you'd like to have your apps all concentrated together, the ones you use all the time for the same types of work that you will do on your PC. So we learned that soon insiders will get the testing of folders within the Start menu. So that's one change that means maybe this fall, when the next update comes, we'll have the famous folders for concentrating all the apps together. There's another one that is changes coming up with all sorts of pop-ups for the taskbar. So when you click and try to see all the pop-ups of the volume and the stuff like that, especially when you use the controls from your keyboard, one of the things that's happening is, for example, you have these little icons that pop up here and there. They're going to be kind of concentrated more in the center with little flyouts that will come out. There's also the possibility, as we were talking about folders in here, the Start menu, of also unifying some icons together in the taskbar for different things. For example, if you have multiple browsers together. They're working on changes, and I think they're working on changes to maybe improve upon what people are and want to have. One of the things that also is addressed is not addressed, but is asked a lot. When you're on Windows 10 and you click the right button, the mouse button, right mouse button on the taskbar, you get a host of new things that you can do. Where if you do it on the Start menu here, although you do have quite a lot of things, there are some options that are missing compared to Windows 10. And so these options are not technically missing, it's just that the menus are cleaned up. Now there's one thing that Windows 11 has, and remember that menus will probably never come back the way they were, because one of the things that they want to do with Windows 11 is to clean up the mess of all the menus and try to have just a minimum amount of information on each menu for what people actually use. So these are little things that we know are coming soon. There's going to be some changes, that's for sure, and we'll see at how big this is going to be as a change over time, and what it's going to be interesting to see this fall and with the big update how many of the asked or requested features or changes will be implemented in Windows 11 compared to what people are asking for. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.